I was wondering if maybe you'd like to go to the beach or something, if that's alright.
So for this drawing, you're gonna need a pencil and an eraser, fine liners, a white gel pen, colored pencils, and I'm using Prismacolor Premier ones. And you're also gonna need a sketchbook, and I'm using a tone 10 one. Okay, so we're gonna start by sketching the eye, and as you can see, I already made a sketch, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it anyways. Lightly erase the sketch so I can still see where I have to color. Then we're gonna color the iris, and for the iris I'm using two colors of green, and I'm gonna start with a really light layer of light green. Then I'm using a dark green and a black color to make little stripes inside the iris. Now I'm using a light green pencil to blend everything out. Then I'm gonna color the rest of the eye with a really light white layer. I'm gonna add shadows with light gray and black, and I'm gonna blend these colors with gray. Lastly, I'm gonna blend everything with a white colored pencil. So for the eyeshadow, I'm using 5 colors. I'm using a white, a black, and 3 tones of blue, a light blue, a medium blue, and a dark blue. Then I'm going to color the outside of the eye with the light blue, and I'm gonna make shadows with a medium and a dark blue. Then we're gonna blend everything out, and I'm gonna start by blending with the medium color, and I'm gonna blend the medium color with the light color. We're gonna repeat this on the whole eye. Once we're done coloring, we're gonna start with the lashes, and for the lashes I'm gonna be using a black ballpoint. So before you want to do the lashes, you want to practice this movement because lashes are often pretty hard to draw and you don't want to ruin your drawing, so I recommend you practicing them first. For the last part, which is absolutely my favorite part, we're gonna use a Uniposca white pen and we're gonna make highlights in the eye and outside the eye to make it look more realistic.